Hi all, welcome to today's aptitude session. Now in this session, direction sense part 2 that I'm going to explain. Now before going to start this session, everyone has please listen direction sense part 1. In part 1, I explained the basics, what is left move, what is right move, what is clockwise direction move, what is right anti-clockwise direction move, and at the same time four varieties of questions also we have seen, and also shadow based questions, evening shadow, morning shadow, all those questions we have seen. Now this is the final session on direction sense. In this session I'm going to explain little more advanced questions in direction sense, right? So let us start the first question, right? Prem goes, right, for every direction sense question, right? Please wait for just a minute. Hello sir. Sir. అవును సార్. Yes sir. Yes sir. Okay sir. చెప్తాను సార్. Yeah, sorry my dear viewers, so an important call, that is the reason why I have to attend it, so that's the reason why. Yeah, anyway, let us start. So before going to, by reading the first line itself, you should be in a position to draw the, you should be in a position to understand that it is a what, it is a what direction sense question. For the direction sense question, north, south, east, west. So for the TCS exam, my dear viewers, this is one of the important topic also. This is one of the important topic also. At the end of this session, I will definitely announce how to prepare for the TCS exam. And in this short period of time, I just got the information that 19th itself is a TCS exam. Now today is 17. We have very short time. In this short time, how to prepare as best as possible, I will explain at the end of this session. Yeah, please focus on this. The session that you are listening is also important for TCS. Now Prem goes 7 kilometers towards southeast, right? Now in the previous questions, the person is starting is north pole or south pole or west pole. Now he is going in a region, right? Okay, this is a southeast region. Let us say southeast region, 7 kilometers, southeast region here itself, right? We can take any line in between south and east, 7 kilometers. Now from this point, if you draw the reference lines like this, if you draw the reference lines like this, you can understand which is north, which is south, which is west, everything. This is north, this is south, this is east, this is west for this reference point. Then he goes 14 kilometers turning to west. So 14 kilometers turning to west, this is 14 kilometers turning to west, this is 14 kilometers turning to west. Now here ends. Now if you draw the reference lines over here, you can know the north south over here for this ending point, north south east and west. After this he goes 7 kilometers towards the northeast north. After that he goes 7 kilometers towards the north. It's not northeast, my dear viewers, this is northwest. This is northwest 7 kilometers. This is 7 kilometers northwest. Why I am taking ending only at this point? Because this point and this point on same horizontal line, as this length is 7 kilometers, this length should also be 7 kilometers. 7 kilometers, right? So that is the northwest, and in the end he goes 9 kilometers towards east. Now from this point, from this point 9 kilometers east is this one. I just stopped over here. This is the end, and this is 9 kilometers. Now if you see the diagram, it looks like a parallelogram. What is the distance from home? This distance is asking how far he is from house. This is the distance. This is simply by using the parallelogram law, length of the opposite sides are equal. 27 7 14 9. So this is 14 minus 9, which is nothing but 14 minus 9, which is nothing but 5 kilometers. 14 minus 9, which is nothing but 5 kilometers. Got it? That's it. Now answer for this question. Now what is the speciality of this question is, in the starting the person is going in the region. In the session 1 or part 1, I just explained only the person is starting is pole. Now in the region, that is the major difference, right? The entire question I have been present, I just want to present in a easy and a beautiful manner. That's why this diagram also I am giving, this diagram. Yeah, next question. A lady leaves from her house, from her home. She first walks. So everything is clear. Yeah, draw the basic diagram. This is the basic diagram. This is north, this is south, this is east, and this is west. This is west. And then 10 meters in the southwest. Okay, everything okay. A lady leaves from her home and she walks 10 meters towards northwest. So northwest 10 meters. Let us say this is northwest 10 meters. This is the ending point. If you draw the reference lines over here, you can able to know north, south, east, south, everything. This is north, this is south, this is east, and this is west for that reference point. After that 10 meters southwest. So for this southwest is this 10 meters. 10 meters southwest. If you draw the reference lines over here, you can able to know the north, south, east, west. North, south, this is east, this is west for this point. For this point, these are the directions. Now next she moves 10 meters southeast, 10 meters southeast direction. Southeast 10 meters. This is 10 meters. Southeast 10 meters. Let's say this is the ending point. This is 10 meters southeast. 10 meters southeast. Finally, she turned towards her house. In which direction she is moving? Now, if you draw the reference lines over here, for this reference lines, this is north, this is south, this is east, this is west, which means, and this is the starting, which is nothing but house. Now she has to turn in which direction? In this direction. She has to turn in this direction, which is nothing but northeast. Answer for this question is northeast. She has to turn towards northeast. She has to turn towards northeast. 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 That's it. So complete diagram. right? Beautiful presentation. Previous question, previous diagram is I just written on live, and this is the diagram that I drawn. Next question, right? Previously asked original question from the placement. Previously asked original question in the placement. Previously asked original question in the placement. K is a place. This is north, this is south, this is east, and this is west. K is a place which is located 2 kilometers away in the northwest direction from the capital P. For example, if this is the capital P, away in the northwest direction from the capital P. From P northwest 2 kilometers. From P northwest 2 kilometers, what is the place? K. Now this is the place K. This is the place K, right? Now every time it is really time waste process to draw the reference lines. You just imagine it at K. What is north at K? What is north? What is east? What is south? What is west? Every time it is unnecessary. You should imagine, right? Bottom south, top north, like that. Now R is a place that is 2 kilometers in the southwest direction from K. From K southwest. From K southwest. How much? 2 kilometers. Which is nothing but this one. This is 2 kilometers. This is the place R. Right? Now, M is another place that is located 2 kilometers away in the northwest direction. Northwest direction. M. 2 kilometers. Northwest direction. M is another place that is located 2 kilometers away in the northwest direction from R, right? T is yet another place that is located away 2 kilometers away, southwest direction. For the place M, what is southwest? Yeah, definitely bottom, right? From this place, if you draw the reference lines, this bottom is south, this is west, right? 2 kilometers. This is what the place? This is nothing but a T. Okay. Right. In which direction T is located with respect to P? Now T is located in which direction with respect to P? Exactly west pole. From P, the T is exactly west pole. Exactly west pole. It is stopped at the pole. It is stopped at the pole. Right? The answer for the question is west. Only he is asking the direction. Only is asking the direction. That is the reason why. Cool. Good quality question. Really good quality question has been asked, right? This is the entire diagram. It's my own diagram, and previously I have been drawn in the live. Next one. Sham starts walking in northeast direction. Okay, by listening the first line itself, you should be in a position to draw the what? You should be in a position to draw the north, south, east, and west. Now he moves towards east, right? Northeast 30. Northeast 30, let us say. This is 30 northeast. This is the ending point now. Now he moves towards the east, walks 20. From this point, east is this one. How much? 20. Now he turns southwest. Now for this point southwest. For this point southwest. This is south. This is east. And this is west. And this is north. Southwest. Southwest region. From this point he is traveled in southwest region. How much? 30. 30 in this sense exactly here. This is 30. This is 30. This is the point. Now this is the ending. Now this is the ending. Now from this ending point, finally walks west 5 meters. From here onwards, west 5 meters. This is nothing but west 5 meters. This is first move, second move, third move, fourth move. This is 5 meters there. Finally in the sense end. This is end. Okay, find the distance of Sham from the starting point. By applying the parallelogram law, opposite length of the sides are equal. So 20 minus 5, this is nothing but 15. Answer for this question is 15. Answer for this question is 15. Right? That's the answer for the question. Previously asked government examination question. And this is the beautiful diagram that I already drawn. Previous diagram is the diagram that I drawn in the live session itself. Right? So share the link, my dear viewers. So as 19th is TCS, so this is one of the diagram, one of the topic which is much helpful, my dear viewers, much helpful. Yeah, P is 15 meters to the west of Q. R is 13 meters to the south of Q. Many times this model question is asked, right? There is a chances to commit the mistake in this question. I will tell what the mistake they are going to do by drawing the diagram. I will show good quality question undoubtedly. Right? Many times this model question has been asked in the Infosys exam. North, south, east, west. Basic diagram is finished. Basic diagram. P is 15 meters to the west of Q. P is 15 meters to the west of Q. If I draw Q here, we need to start somewhere. So this is the reference point. West of Q. This is how much distance? 15. Yeah, this is 15. This is the point. This is P, right? R is 13 meters to the south of Q. R 13 meters to the south of Q. For the Q, this is south. How much? 13. This is 13. This is R, right? R, south of Q. And 5 meters to the east of S. 5 meters to the east of S. S ka east is talking about R, 5 meters, right? S ka east is this one, 5 meters, R is there. He is talking about R directly. R is 13 meters to the south of Q and 5 meters to the east of S, right? That is the R point. T is 20 meters to the north of S. For S, north is top 20 meters. So this is 13. This is 13 and this is 5. This is 7. Total 20, right? Where this point is nothing but what? A T. T. And T is 10 meters to the east of U. T is 10 meters to the east of U. Okay. So we need to draw a little bit properly. That's why I'm extending this one. Let us say this is P and this total length is 15, my dear viewers, and this is 5. Good. Now how much this length? This length is 10. Total 15. 15 minus 5 is nothing but 10, right? So from this point 10 in the sense exactly here, which means this is the care. This is the care you should take. This is the care. This is the 10, right? This is the location of U and T, right? So 10 meters to the east of U, T is there. Everything is proper. Everything is okay. Okay. Now see, this length 10 and this length 10 should be taken into consideration, because if you extend this one like this, the direction will be changes with respect to P. But with respect to P, U is in north. With respect to P, U is in north. This is the answer. Exactly, this is north pole, because this is 10, this is also 10. That's why. But unfortunately or fortunately, if you extend this like this, if you draw 10 like this, so you will become what? For P, it will be, for P, U is what? Northwest region. It goes into northwest region, but not it is northwest. It is purely north. That is the care you should take. That is the care you should take, right? Lengths also very, very important. In which direction R with respect to P? With respect to P, R, draw the diagram. With respect to P, for P, this is south, this is east. So R is in which direction? Southeast. R is in which direction? Southeast. That's it. That's the diagram. Right. Now the entire question I have been placed beautifully, right? This length 10, which is much important. This length is also 10, right? So exactly U is exactly north and R is what? Southeast. This is a southeast for P. For P. Cool. Yeah. Next question. Point A. Next question. Point A is 9 meters towards the east of B. Point C. Right. This is also previously asked question. Undoubtedly, this is also previously asked question. Before listening my explanation, do it as a practice right now. Do it as a practice right now. This is north, this is south, this is east, and this is west. See, this question has been asked in the recent TCS exam. I just cross checked. This is the recently asked TCS question, my dear viewers. My dear viewers. Right. Point A is 9 meters to the east of point B. Somewhere we have to start. So somewhere we have to put mark point B. So here I am marking point B, my reference. Point B, east of B, what is there? A, 9 meters. East of B is there, 9 meters. This is my 9 meters. Here A is there. Okay. Right. Point C is 5 meters to the south of point A. South of point A, which is there point C. South is E, this is. How much? 5. What is there? C. Now point D is 3 meters to the 3 meters towards west of point C. Point C ka west 3 meters. This is 3 meters. What is there? D is there. D is there. Okay. Okay. Point E is 5 meters to the north of point D. For the point D, what is the north? Top. How much? 5. This is point E. Exactly here. This is point E. Right? This total is 9, my dear viewers. This is 5. And this is also 5. Sorry, this is 3. This is 3, which means this is 6. 6 plus 3, 9. Now, point F is 7 meters to the south of point D. For point D, south is bottom. How much? 7. This is 7. What is there? Point F. Point F. Yeah. Right. Now we have finished the diagram. Which of the following points are straight line? A. Which of the E, D, A, E, B, E, C, A, AEB, yeah, AEB is in straight line. Cool. Answer is 4. What is B position with respect to C? With respect to C, B is, now if you draw the reference lines over C, this is north, this is west. So B is northwest. B position is northwest with respect to C. How far E from B? How far E from B? This is nothing but 6. That is nothing but 6. That's the answer for this question. Here it is the neatly presented diagram. Neatly presented diagram. Graphics. Next question. Very, very important model and the last and final model question in this direction sense topic. Direction sense topic. Right. Ranjit. Okay. Ranjit. Why? Yeah. Draw the reference lines. This is north, this is south, this is east, and this is west. From this reference points, let us say here. Let us see here. Ranjit starts from his home. Let us say this is Ranjit starts from his home. This is the home of the Ranjit. Ranjit. He walks 100 meters to the east. 100 meters east. This is the home. 100 meters east. And then turns right. Right? East ka right is bottom. And 50. He walks 50. Let us say this is 50 east. Now after this 50 right turn, after this he walks 20 meters to the southwest. From this point southwest, if we draw the reference lines, like this, right, for this reference lines, this is south, this is west, southwest. So southwest we can draw like this, we can draw like this, we can draw like this. These are all the possibilities of southwest from that point. Okay, but next 225 degrees anti-clockwise direction movement, the turning movement is given in angle. So to draw this vector properly, now here I am drawing 45 degrees, 20 meters southwest and 45 degrees angle I am taking. This length is 20 and this angle is 45 I am taking. 45 degrees I am taking. This is the ending point. That's the ending point. That's the ending point right now. That's the ending point. Now Ranjit is facing like this. Ranjit is facing like this. This is the ending point. This is the ending point. At this ending point, if we draw the reference lines, this is north, this is south, this is east, this is west we got. Now 225 degrees anti-clockwise direction, which means this one, this is 45, this is 90, 45, 90, 135, and this is another 45, total 180. This is anti-clockwise direction 180, and this is 45, total 225. Total 25, which means from this point top kilopole exactly, from this point exactly north of travel said 225 degrees anti-clockwise direction. How much he moves? 500. 500. This is 500. Let us say this is the ending point. This is the ending point. Here is the important is this 225 degrees anti-clockwise direction, proper marking is important, right? This is 225 degrees anti-clockwise direction, right? That 225 degrees exactly we calculated because the previous vector, this green color vector, now it is in blue black color. This green color vector 20 meters we have drawn with 45 degrees angle. 45 degrees angle, that is 45 degrees angle, that is the reason why. Okay, now in which direction Ranjit has to walk in order to reach his home? Now if you draw the reference lines over here, this is north, this is south, this is west. So Ranjit has to turn in southwest to reach his home. That's the answer for this question. Most advanced question I explained. Southwest he has to turn back to reach his home. Here is the diagram, the complete diagram, right? This is beautifully placed diagram, right? Previous diagram that I shown in the live session, this is the diagram I already drawn, right? For your better understanding I am presenting this one, right? Yeah, that's it. That's the end of the today's session, my dear viewers. Right after 1 hour, exactly after one and a half hour, I'm going to start another live session. Just now I got the information that TCS is 19th, which means exactly we have 2 days left. In these 2 days of time, I will cover as much as topics, right? Now as much as topics, right? Exactly after one and a half hour, I'm going to start exclusively TCS training, right? Minimum of in these 2 days I will conduct many of the sessions, right? That information you all get, make use of that link you all get, use and join. Thank you one and all.